Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Rhino. Please subscribe to Quiz Rhino. Let's start. Hey viewers, I have come up with the excited quiz. Let's start. Guess the yummy fruit names. Guess this fruit. Awesome, it's orange. Next one. Easy, it's apple. Guess this. Good, it's banana. This. Perfect, it's grapes. Next one. It's pineapple. Are you excited for next one? Super, it's mango. Guess this fruit? Outstanding, it's pomegranate. Can you guess this name? Yes, it's papaya. Next one. It's watermelon. Guess this fruit? Hooray, it's lime. Next, guess this. Wow, it's jackfruit. Guess this one? Wonderful, it's guava. Next. It's custard apple. Can you guess this? It's sapodilla. Next. It's strawberry. Next. Brilliant, it's plum. Guess this fruit? Amazing, it's cherry. Next. Right, it's peach. Next one. It's pear. Next. Supreme, it's avocado. Guess this fruit? Awesome, it's dragon fruit. This one? Extraordinary, it's blueberry. Next. It's kiwi. Next. Yes, it's fig. Next one. It's cranberry. Try this. Wonderful. It's mulberries. Can you guess this? Super. It's loquat. Can you guess this? It's prickly pears. Guess this one? Great. It's lychee. Last one? Fantastic. Gooseberry. That's all for today. Comment your quiz